One of the questions I get asked quite often about Photoshop is how to outline text. So let's see how. You can see I've got some text on my document here. It says outlining text. And if I click that, you'll see that it selects the layer in our list of layers over here at the side. So the outlining text layer is selected. I'm going to go to the top menu, top of the screen, and I'm going to click Layer. Then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click Layer Style. I'm then going from Layer Style, I'm going to go to Stroke. So that's Layer, Layer Style, and then Stroke. So let's click it. And stroke means brush stroke, pen stroke, pencil stroke, something like that. Okay, so you can see now that it's already added an outline because there's some things already in this this layer style. But let me show you how to do that, how to change those things. So the size here, if I move this slider, I can change the size of my outline. You see it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger to a ridiculous state. We probably want something that's a little more appropriate, like that. That's a little big actually, a little bit smaller. Okay. And we've got a nice outline around our text. Position, I've got the outline outside of the text right now. If the size of my text was critical, I might want to put the outline on the inside of the text. Okay. Opacity, I can make that outline transparent if I want, the same as I can make any layer transparent. If I move that slider down, you can see how the outline starts to become transparent. Okay. And I can also change the color of that outline. Let's say I want to make it green. I can say, okay, that's kind of gross, but let's go back to red. And there's my red, my text with a red outline. Okay, and I click OK, and there you have it. All right. There's one other thing I want to show you very quickly about outlining text. If I click on that outlined text in the layer, you can see there's a button here called Fill. Okay? And this corresponds to what's inside the text, the black bit in the inside of the text here. Okay? If I take that, click it, and slide to 0, you can see that now I have just the outline. I've gotten rid of the fill of the text, and I have just the outline. And that can be kind of cool sometimes because whatever's behind this text will show through. Okay? So that's kind of a cool thing. And if you wanted to get back to the full text, just bring your fill back up to 100%. Okay? And that's how you can outline text in Photoshop.